Hello everyone, it's Richard again at Systems and Solutions. So in this video, I just wanted to show you how to add a new user to Windows 10 and how to change your password. So it sounds like pretty simple things, but a lot of people actually struggle to know where to go, and it's not necessarily black and white and crystal clear in Windows 10 where those options are. So what I'll do, I'll show you now on a Windows 10 machine how we do this. So if we go to my desktop screen, which is here, what we need to do is click the Start button, left click on the bottom left on the Start button, go to Settings, which is the second one up, and we click on that. Then in here, in our main settings screen, we have something called Accounts, which is here. So we click on this one. And then in here, you see, it's not necessarily that straightforward for people to understand where the passwords are. But if we go to Sign In Options and click on that, we've then got our options here of how we can sign in, whether we use a face, fingerprint, a PIN, security key, password, or a picture password. So in this case, you would click on Password, and then here you'd go to Add, and that's how you can add a password. So that's how you do a password on Windows 10. Also, if you want to add an extra user to use the machine, you need to go to Family and Other Users. So if you click on this one, you then got add a family member or add someone else to this PC. Now, adding someone else will just add another local account that the machine can log in as. Adding a family member kind of does the same thing, but it actually then gets you to create a Microsoft family. So you need a Microsoft account with that user. You then have to set them up as what relationship they are with you and the family, etc. So that's more of a in-depth way of doing a family member that links into a Microsoft account. But if you don't want that, you just want another user that can log on, you just need to go to add someone else to this PC, and then you can set up the new user's name there and their password. Okay, well, I hope that helped. Thank you very much. Bye bye.